You guys want to know how you spot an American at a baseball game? Shorts and t-shirt, white, looking around like he doesn't know what the hell he's doing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back at it again, coming to you from Mexico City, traveling and trading around the world. Jumped on a plane from Costa Rica back to Mexico. Not too sure really where I want to go. So I'm just going to be chilling out here in the city for a week or two. We got a couple things going on today. We got Fed rates coming out, so we'll do some trading, talk about the Fed rates, what they end up doing. They're supposed to be raising interest rates 0.75%, so you guys can see how I work around that. I mean, I've seen over 100 FOMC meetings and press conferences, so it's nothing new to me. I mean, there's so much hype around it, I feel, especially for new traders, but after a year or 2 years of you seeing them, it's just another press conference. It's more of a problem because, I mean, the Fed rates, they're so far behind, and then you got Jerome Powell going to be saying the same stuff. I mean, before, there's no inflation. Inflation is transitory. Inflation is good. We might have a problem with inflation. And then we have two reports of negative GDP numbers coming out of like 2 quarters, which represents a recession. We get 2, and now they're like, no, we're not in a recession. That's not the exact definition. It's the exact same thing that they were saying with inflation. There is no inflation. Inflation is temporary. Inflation is good. Yes, there is inflation. Okay, we might have a problem with inflation. It's like the same thing. Now it's going to be the economy is really good. There is no recession. It's a temporary recession. We might have a serious problem on our hand. It just gets worse and worse. They keep kicking the can down the road. It's going to be the same old BS stuff. Come out, lie to the public, tell them what they want to hear, spoof the markets. But hey, we got that going on. Do some trading, see if we can get anything. Talk about the month of July because it's been a really interesting month. So we'll do some trading, talk about the month. As well as, since I'm here in the city, I love baseball. The Mexico team is here playing in the city. They're taking on Monterrey. So I would like to go see a Mexican baseball game. Last one I went to here in Mexico was in Guadalajara, where I went to a playoff game at the start of 2022 of the Jalisco de Charros. And they ended up winning the championship too. So congratulations to those guys. I'm going to go check out a game, but first we got to do some trading. Let's get into that, and then I'll show you guys a little room tour. All right, let's go. Okay, we are done trading for the day. We're going to go over a trade as well as some previous trades throughout the month because it's been on a wild run, this trading journey so far. And if we look at USD CAD, this was a break-even trade. Okay, we could start with this. That's totally fine because this month, oh my gosh, let me tell you, has been break-even trade after trade after trade. Okay, let me say this actually. This year, I've taken, I think, 6 or 7 break-even trades where prices come back and hit me out at break-even. So far this month, I've already had 5 break-even trades. It's just nonstop. Lose, lose, win, break-even, break-even. Lose, lose, win, break-even, break-even. Lose, break-even, break-even. It's just nonstop, man. Literally 5 for the month, and usually I get 1 or 2, 2, maximum 3 a month. Let's go to USD CAD. USD CAD. If you guys, let's ignore all this writing right now. I don't want to delete it. But definitely price in an uptrend. And then prices were pulling back into this previous demand zone. Drop-based rally. Very, very strong move to the upside. So that was telling me that a lot of buyers stepped into the market. As well as it's not only a daily, but it's also a 4-hour demand as well. I mean, if we go down to the 4-hour, you see this very strong move to the upside. So some traders might want to use the daily, some people might want to use the 4-hour, and then they could look for buying opportunities in there. So if we go down actually to the 15-minute, there are so many opportunities in here throughout the last couple of days. All right, so we had the second opportunity right here by breaking trend, removing supply here with, look at this big move up to the upside. That's telling me that a crap ton of buyers came into the market. Removed multiple supply zones, one over here, as well as one over here, right? With a very strong move to the upside. So that was telling me a lot of buyers came into the market. So if prices pull back, they might come in again. I didn't get filled on this one. I didn't like the profit margin, but some of the people took that trade and it worked out really well. So there's the second trade. And then the third trade, this was one that I took, was using this 1 hour demand. So price inside that daily demand, you remember what that daily demand looks like? Let's go back to that daily. That's what it looks like, right? Can you guys understand what I'm doing? Because I usually just hold my phone and do this analysis instead of me recording something on the computer, but I think it's totally fine. I mean, we can scroll up, we can go really close, I can explain things. You know, it's a vlog. So then I went down to the 1 hour. Let me know if you guys enjoy that. I mean, I prefer it. I think it's easier for me. Went down to the 1 hour and I was buying this pullback as a demand zone. Ended up getting out at break even on this trade. Prices went up 2 to 1 and then reversed from the Fed rates. So this is where Fed rates came out, dropped, took me out at break even, right? I was in that trade for quite a while. Now the other trade was using actually the 5 minutes, was using that 1 hour as the higher time frame and then going down to a smaller time frame and look for buying opportunities. And if I recall, it was this right here. You know what, let me just go to the trade reviews. Oh, it's right here. It was this. So price inside 1 hour demand. I put half a position here on this one, 1 hour, buying that whole zone. And then I've put another half a position here on the 5 minute, trying to get an entry, same type of setup. Ended up going like 1.75, moved my stop to break even, right? News was coming out, so moved my stop to break even, and then prices ended up reversing, taking me out at another break even trade. So both those trades got out at break even. Oh my gosh, that's killing me, man. This one pulled back, break even. Both take profits were at 3 to 1. And then this was another one. This was a loss on the S&P, slightly aggressive, but I thought it was all right. Nice, very strong move to the downside. I noticed pre-market rallying up, and then as soon as the market opened, instantly dropped really hard. I was kind of liking this setup, and then it reversed and came back up. So pre-market, we were rising, then we were dropping, then rising again. It was kind of all over the place. Ended up being a stop on that one, but then luckily earlier this week, we did capture a nice short on oil, which helped out a lot, taking that one out at 2 to 1. I had to close this one because I didn't want to hold it going over the weekend. So I closed this one and got out at 2 to 1 instead of originally 3 to 1, which was down here. So I think that was 600, 650. I'm not too sure. So decent little trade. Can't complain about that. And let's go. That's going to summarize up the trade reviews. You know, that was a lot of trades to actually look at right there. Let me fix my camera. Let's show you guys a room tour because this place is balling. I mean, I'm paying $45 Canadian a night here in the city. I mean, giant TV. Look at that, really nice. It's a really nice working desk. We got a really nice chair. You know, when you're traveling, it's definitely difficult to find a good chair. But besides that, nice little bed, nice setup. Where am I staying at? I'm staying at the Econ Hotel. Econ Hotel. We'll be out of here in a day. I'm gonna switch up places. Here's the setup. Hey, there we are. Nice little sink there. We got a nice shower. Really nice shower. And we got the toilet over there. How's the toilet doing? Looks good. So really nice place here at the Econ Hotel. It's kind of right downtown, right next to the SkyTrain and stuff like that. So easy transportation if you like that type of stuff. But I personally just Uber everywhere or take taxis. You know, I don't want to be traveling with the brokies out there. So I choose Uber and stuff like that. And by the way, if you guys are enjoying these vlogs, really appreciate it if you guys like it, subscribe, share it with your friends. Say, hey, this guy's traveling and trading around the world. I want to do this. That's exactly what I did. So now I'm sharing these traveling videos with you as well. If you guys want to learn the exact trade setup that I'm trading, head over to moneyballtrading.com and you can get the free training, and I will send you videos on the methodology that I trade, the exact setup and all that. And if you have any questions, you guys can always reach out to me on social media at MoneyballAustin. Okay, let's go to the baseball game. Mexico City versus Monterrey, baby. Let's put some money on the game. Let's go. Okay, we are here at the stadium. My gosh, absolutely beautiful. We got the Mexico Diablos taking on Monterrey Sulicans. This ticket going outfield, 66 pesos. I put some money on the money line at minus 115. I checked before I left my place. The line moved to minus 150. Got some money on that, so we're gonna go in, get some food, get some drinks, and let's go. It's busy. Let's go, Diablos. Over under of this game was 14.5, so that's why I'm kind of sitting out here in the outfield. There's only 2 other people. There's one group of people there and another group of people out there. So I'm hoping for a home run from any of these teams. You'd think with a over under 14.5, there's going to be lots of home runs, right? Lots of hits. So far in the game, there's been 3 hits from both teams, and we're at the top of the 4th. Complete under. My team is losing. I wanna know, will you be my girl? Classic song. Oh, go! Go third! Oh my God! Go home! Bases loaded. Time to make a play, my friend. Time to make a play. This is what you get paid for. Oh! Yes! Drop! Yes, baby! Nice. That's game. Yes!
Okay, I have no idea what I ended up getting. I just went to the shortest lineup and got whatever I could get. Let's see. Holy crap. What the hell is this? It was called the home run. Oh, looks like we got steak with bone in it on top of flatbread, cheese, and beans. Oh my gosh. God, this looks so good, but like, not really.
Soy el diablo.
Bone. What goes through their head to make something like that at a baseball game? Yeah, let's give them flatbread, cheese, beans with steak and bones. I mean, oh, look at this. This was 150 pesos. This is about $7.50 American. So what's really cool about this park here in Mexico City is it's all surrounded around a Formula One track. There's about 20 soccer fields. Oh my gosh. Check it out. Oh my God, that's awesome. Woohoo, party! Yeah, we in the lead, baby. There's about 20 soccer fields, 20 basketball courts. There's a BMX track, hockey here. There is a Formula One track. There's a baseball stadium. There's a music hall. This park is massive. Like, it takes like an hour and a half to walk through the entire thing. Really cool place. It's a brand new stadium that's only a year and a half old. A year and a half, so it's beautiful. Let's go, baby. We're gonna cash this ticket. Here we go. Bottom of the 9th, 2 outs. We're winning by 3 runs. Strike. He's out. Woo-hoo-hoo! We win, baby. The total ends at 14. Going into the game, it was at 14.5. We win the game. We cash that ticket, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, if you guys enjoyed this game, traveling and trading, comment, like, subscribe. If at any point you were like, damn, that was really cool, I really enjoyed this video, I really appreciate if you hit that like button, subscribe, join the train. I didn't get a ball. We are going to get a ball one of these days. If you want to reach out to me on social media at Moneyball Austin, I'll see you guys in the next one. Cash and tickets. Cheers, baby. Let's go.